you can make him forgotten. I think he's a great person. I heard it. I know about this because everybody is talking about him in the dressing room, and we don't want to make him forgotten. And yeah, you need self-confidence to be the goalkeeper of Barcelona, and I think I'm self-confident enough to say that I'm at the right position at the moment, and yeah. But this is not the most important thing. The most important thing is that I'm gonna play tomorrow, and I'm gonna play good. It's always the best when Messi play with you than against you, but I think he's a crazy guy on the pitch, and so he's a really good player, one of the best of at the moment, and yes, we have to keep an eye on him, and if we are good in the defense, we will have, of course, he always make problems, but not that much maybe, and this is what we want to do, and maybe he don't has a chance to score, and if you have one, I'll try to do my best. I have to think about it for a minute. No, I'm really lucky that I don't have to decide. There are 3 really good players nominated, and I don't want to say that Manu or Leo or Cristiano has to win it, but it's a really hard decision. I don't know. I can't say that he deserved it or not, but it's really hard.